Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try white shirt with olive cargo pants and black boots. Next you can try dark blue half sleeve shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white t-shirt with black cargo pants and white sneakers. Next you can try yellow shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try tan polo t-shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try blue striped shirt with off-white pants and beige loafers. Next you can try green t-shirt with greyish white baggy pants and black and white sneakers. Next you can try blue half sleeve shirt with beige pants and white sneakers. Next you can try pink t-shirt with white jeans and tan boots. Next you can try beige half sleeve shirt with greyish white pants and black loafers. Watch this video to know 35 monochromatic outfit ideas.